Sean, here's what your Scout looks like now, totally stripped. Front end removed, grill removed. This door panel is still in place because I don't need to do anything inside the door. All the interior screws are in this cup. I pulled the shifter hump and the balls and the boots so you can clean them up and prep them. Passenger side floor looks pretty damn good. Can't get the seat base up yet. The bolts are stripped, so I gotta deal with that. The speakers back here were shit, absolute garbage, and that hole is full of Black Widows. Floor in the rear after I ripped up the carpet is beautiful. I took the inserts out already, removed the headliner. The roof is gorgeous. And many of the covers I've removed, but also all the gearing I've re-greased and lubricated, but I've kept all the covers off. I have a box for you to take with you that's full of stuff that you can clean up and prep and paint on your own time and then reassemble it, so it'll save you time later. Now these floors are still filthy. I haven't cleaned them at all. I just swept them out a little bit, but as you can see, they're great. It's just like little surface spotting. The side metal is beautiful. The roof is great. Little issue along the edge, but no big deal. And note the inside edge right there. That's something you want to hit with a wire wheel and then put Herculiner in, and it'll be fine. See? Right along there. And the areas right above the hump is where I'm going to cut access panels to protect the inner fenders. Right there. Above each hump I'm going to cut a rectangular hole. So there's Z-Scout gutted. There's your bad battery. There's your air cleaner cover housing in case you want to clean it up and paint it. The paint job that's on it's really crappy. And all your parts, seat base, the cross brace, front bumper trim. There's your grill, your door insert, and here's your box full of stuff. The center console box, the stereo. I took the stereo out. It wasn't hooked up, so it was all crappy. And a bunch of other stuff in there. Your hideous speakers are in there. The shifter balls. See, the shifter balls are in there. So that's your box to take with. There's the headliner. I'm gonna have it stuffed somewhere in my garage. There's your front seats, the rear seats in the back of the Blazer, and your fiberglass inserts are right there on top of the roof for now. I saved the rear carpet for you. If you lay it out on a piece of good carpet, it'll make a great template. So you can recopy it just to lay in as a floor covering. And that's the pad too, in case you want to copy the pad. Okay, there you go.